Okay guys, so this is the Sargent & Co. Model number 5156 for 5164, excuse me. Okay, this is a one lever from probably around 1930s. 1936 is when the first one came out, it says. Not all keys go to it. I haven't found one key that works so far except this one right here. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, that's... Let me do it from the other side. So this is the Sargent & Co. Easy. I think it's an easy spring too. It says New Haven, Connecticut on it, USA, because that's where they were manufactured from. See, 5164 is the model number of this one. I took all the doorknob pieces out because they were broken. That's the whole reason why my neighbor gave me this lock, is because it was broken. And the only part that worked was the deadbolt lock, and she didn't have the keys, and I have a bunch of skeleton keys, so yeah. So I went over there and traded it out with another one that I had that worked fine, and I have this one. Alright guys, that's this is the Sargent & Co. Easy Spring, model number 5164. I'll talk to you guys later.